Good morning. In this session we will discuss about the lookup object, how to use matched rows as well as how to use no matched rows. Both the things we will try to consider in this scenario. For example, I am having one source table called as src underscore items, which is having some fields like a category ID, item number, item name, quantity and rate per unit. Same way, I am having one more table called as src underscore categories. So these two tables are having some data in this format. Category ID item 1001 radio. So this category ID is 101. So I want to search whether it is available in the categories table or not. If available, I want to pick up the category name, and this data I want to put into a target table. So what is my target table means? For example, it is tgt underscore items. So into this table I want to bring category ID, category name, item number, name, quantity, rate per unit and amount. Amount part we will take a little bit later. First of all, we want to pick up the category name if category is available in this format. But if any record is there which doesn't have a proper category, then that data I want to put into another destination called as tgt underscore items underscore error. So two destinations here. If the category is available, it should come into tgt underscore items. If category is not there, then the record should come into tgt underscore items underscore error table. So I want to redirect the data to two different places. So my first source, like I am trying to take something called as OBIEE source. This OBIEE source we are trying to create on src underscore items, and from here I want to search in a lookup object. So what is the lookup means? I am trying to create on src underscore categories. I am trying to create on src categories. If record is available, then I want to put into a destination, OBIEE destination called as tgt underscore items. I want to put into this table. If it is not there, in such cases also I want to take the data to another destination called as an OBIEE destination, but the table is tgt underscore items underscore error. Into this table I want to place. But if the data is available means I want to calculate the total amount. For that purpose, because in my destination tgt underscore items I'm having an amount column is there, so I'm using a derived column for calculating amount. For calculating amount purpose, I am defining this particular object called as derived column. So these are the total objects I am using in this example. So from OBIEE source to lookup, from the lookup I am trying to take to the derived column, and from derived column to OBIEE destination. Same way from the lookup I am trying it to OBIEE destination. So here I'll say no match output. So for the records which are not matching, I want to put into the error table, and the records which are already matched, those things I want to take into derived column, from derived column to tget underscore items. Matched output. So like this we will try to design our package. Create new package. So I'm trying to create the package, and I'll rename this package. Drag the data flow task, double click on the data flow task, place the source object, OBIEE source. Now what is our source object? It is SRC underscore items. So double click on OBIEE source, new, choose the source connection, OK, and table is SRC underscore items. Click on columns, click on OK. So here we have placed the OBIEE source, and we told what is our table name, SRC underscore items. Now whatever the record you are getting from this place, I want to search in another source called as an SRC underscore categories. So I am placing a lookup object for that. Drag the lookup, link your source to lookup, double click on the lookup, choose the full cache under the cache mode, connection tab choose as an OBIEE connection manager, then select connection on node and specify the connectivity. So where is this table located? That is also under the source only, SRC underscore categories. So I am choosing source connection, and table is SRC underscore categories. Click on columns. Now create a condition. So here I want to search with respect of category ID. What is the category ID you are getting from source? For the same value, is it available in SRC categories table? I want to check. So common column is category ID. Based on that we are creating a condition. Just drag it and link it to category ID of lookup object. If record is existing, I want to pick up the category name, so I am selecting that category name. So we have created a condition based on category ID. If record is existing, we are trying to pick up category name. Click on OK. After that, I'll try to place the two destinations, because I already mentioned that I want existing data I want put into tget underscore items. By calculating amount, non-existing data I want put into tget underscore items underscore error. So here I placed a source object for the table SRC underscore items. Then I created a lookup object for SRC underscore categories. Here I set full cache, OBIEE connection manager. And one more point is, here in this example, no match output also you want to put it up. Into where? Into tget underscore items underscore error table. So you need to choose here as redirect rows to no match output. If it doesn't select like this, the package will fail. So select this option and then we have provided the connectivity. In the columns we provided a condition and we told what are the columns you want to extract. Click on OK. Then I am placing one derived column and I link this lookup to derived column, what means only matched output, because I want to calculate amount if record is category is existing. So I am choosing match output. OK. Then double click on derived column and add one new column here as an amount and write the formula. So what is the formula? Quantity into rate per unit. This is the formula. After that, click on OK. Amount is calculated and this complete record I want put into the destination. So drag OLEDB destination and link this derived column to OLEDB destination. Double click on OLEDB destination, new button, select the destination connection. OK. Then data access mode, select as tabular view. What is the table means? Our destination table is TGT underscore items. So I'll select that table here, TGT underscore items. Select the table TGT underscore items. Mappings, map the fields. Category ID, category name, item number, item name, quantity, rate per unit and amount. So all the fields are mapped here. Click on OK. So the first pipeline is completed. But if the records, if you have anything as no match output, those things also I want to capture it into another destination table. So we'll try to link that. So we'll try to take one more OLEDB destination, link this lookup object to OLEDB destination. This is no match output. No match output. So it's clearly showing here, lookup no match output. Double click on this destination, choose the destination connection, data access mode as a tabular view. What is the table means? TGT underscore items underscore error. Mappings, category ID, item number, item name, quantity, rate per unit are mapping. Here amount column is not there and category name is also not there because the record is non-existing record. So click on OK. File menu, save all and execute this. So I'll make my target table to be empty. So target table is empty, and if you come to the source, first source is consisting 4 records and lookup object table is consisting 4 records. But here you are saying that match record should be in TGT underscore item, means we will get the first 4 records like radio, gun loader, wet grinder. The like first 3 records will come into the matched records as an output, and those things we are putting into TGT underscore items. But whereas soap item related category ID is not present in SRC underscore categories, so that record will go to error table. So save our package and we'll try to execute this. But before execution, if any data is there, means we'll remove the data from the target table. So right now it is already empty, but I am having one more table called as error table. TGT underscore items underscore error. Even this table will try to make as an empty. So both tables are empty right now. We'll execute the package. File menu, save all, start. Execution is done here. From OLEDB source we got 4 rows to look up, and 3 rows given as a matched output and 1 row is given as a no match output. So the no match output went to the destination directly, but whereas match records went through derived column for implementing salary total amount calculation. Quantity into rate per unit you have done as an amount and you kept into the destination table. So here if you observe the output, this is an output you are having. 3 records are match records and 1 is no match record. So as the records are matched, it is able to pick it up the category name and it is able to perform amount calculation. And whereas no match output straight away you kept into the destination into error destination table. So the record is came as it is to the digit underscore items underscore error table. So like this, from the lookup you can use match rows as well as no match rows can also be used depending on our business activity. So this is an example of a lookup transformation. Thank you.